Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel Fold, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and swipe down once again, to extend the list of toggles. Now you will be looking for the power saving toggle, which could be on either page. For me, it is on the first one right over here, battery saver, the exact name of it. And once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this message right here, pop up. So turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on a dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. Now, out of these messages, the last one will be the most important one, the delays and notifications. Because what it does is it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. And that will result in that delay in notification delivery. Now, it's more referring to notifications from applications that will require internet connection, and not really notifications, for instance, from like your messages, the typical carrier messages. So those shouldn't be affected. Now in this case, the delay implies that it will be reconnecting every so often to the network, just so it can sync up everything that it might have been missing. So if you experience this, maybe it just bothers you and you need your notifications to be delivered when they're being sent to you, then just make sure that your power saving mode is turned off. And there's probably one more thing that is happening. See? Yep. So another thing that wasn't mentioned there is your refresh rate is now dropped down to 60 from the 120 that it was running at before. So there we go. And last thing, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can simply turn it off by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it, and it will just simply turn off and everything will go back to functioning normally. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.